everyone, welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today's episode will be about the vegetables. I'll make the excellent side dish, very simple side dish. Cauliflower, broccoli and carrot. I will steam the vegetables and saute with butter and breadcrumbs. Very simple and very tasty dish. And I hope you enjoy. For today's recipe I need 2 cups of broccoli, I have a little bit more cauliflower and 2 carrots I cut in small pieces. And next part I will steam everything. On the bottom of the pan I pour some water. Now steam basket need to be above the water. The water is boiling. Next part I will steam all my 3 vegetables. Cover with the lid and I will cook about 10 minutes. I steam vegetables on a high heat. 10 minutes. Let me check the vegetables. Cauliflower is nice and soft. Same with broccoli and a carrot done. Turn off stove and remove a steaming basket from the water, from the cooking pan. All vegetables looks beautiful and fresh. Steaming is a perfect way to cook vegetables because I don't lose any vitamins and minerals. The last part I will use 2 tablespoons of butter and breadcrumbs. The stove is on a high heat. I use the breadcrumbs, half a cup. Cauliflower, broccoli and a carrot, and I didn't put any salt on my vegetables, so I put the salt right now and just cover with the breadcrumbs gently, and we're done. Very simple recipe, and it will be the side dish for my dinner today. Broccoli, cauliflower and carrot will be excellent side dish. The vegetable trio, cauliflower, broccoli and carrots done. If you like this video, make sure to give me thumb up. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more recipe. I make a new recipe once a week. And thank you so much for watching. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego. And this is my proposition for dinner. Vegetable trio, broccoli, cauliflower and carrot, sauteed with breadcrumbs, Polish pork chops. You can find this recipe on my channel, episode 23, and mashed potatoes with the fresh dill.